So far, the quality of the talks that we've seen at DNAnexus Connect, it's just amazing. I'm very impressed. They're short but cover a huge amount of information. It's really interesting to see all the different tools or concepts that people are talking about. I think you always wonder what to expect at a vendor conference, but this has been incredibly focused on both the science and technical side, which is pretty exciting, and I've definitely learned a lot from being here.
There are so many different types of experiments and scientific goals that we see at this meeting. It's great to get the perspective why one person might be applying one method and another person might be applying another method, and it's not one is better than the other, but just more well suited to the task at hand. I think the idea is, instead of thinking about what is the one right way to do it, it is what are the data I have and what's the best way I can do science, and then just enabling that and having a group discussing those ideas, I think really pushes that forward.
This is my first time at DNAnexus Connect, and I've really found this to be a valuable experience. While the predominant talks have been about human health and precision medicine and how they're managing these different cohorts, the problems for us in agriculture are very similar. They're parallel. At the genomics level, we're looking at very, very similar needs in bioinformatic workflows, whether this has to do with whole genome assembly, genetic characterization, epigenetic profiling. These are all the same approaches and assays. In addition, we have to integrate across heterogeneous data sets over different locations. These are also challenges that they're having in the human health area. And we also have to deal with basically public versus private access to information. So looking at the different ways that these projects are approaching this and the options available provides me insights on how we may approach this for agriculture as well.
DNAnexus Connect was a fabulous meeting this year. We heard about the UK Biobank and what's happening there with Regeneron and GSK. There were also lots of other talks that were exciting, new functionality that's coming out within the DNAnexus platform, and being able to actually see that, first time is extremely exciting. So, excellent event, and I highly encourage anyone within the genomics space to attend this event, as it is a premier event with a premier company every year.